Welcome to Memory Medallion. In this video, we are going to show you how to view your Medallion story, send it through email, or publish to Facebook or Twitter. To get started, visit our website at www.memorymedallion.com and log into your account. After logging in, you'll see your memory medallions listed. On the right are publishing controls. These controls are only available when you have already published your story in the story editor. You may have noticed that there's no publishing controls for this third medallion here. I will have to edit this medallion, add some sort of content, and then click publish to make it live before I can use these features. There are 4 different controls in the publish category. The first is a direct link to your story profile. This is the same link that has been written into the QR code that is on your physical memory medallion product. When scanned by a smartphone, it goes to the same place that you go to when you follow this link on your computer. If you desire, you can copy the URL and send it to viewers to read in their web browsers. The next button puts your medallion story onto your Facebook wall. For this feature to function, you'll need to log into your Facebook account and allow Memory Medallion to post the story to your wall. The next button allows you to post your story to Twitter. You'll need to log into your Twitter account for this one to function. The final button is simply an email feature. Provide us the email address of the person you would like to send your medallion story to, and we'll send it to them. Note that if you've shared editing control of your medallion story with somebody, they'll be able to publish to their own Facebook and Twitter accounts just as you can. We hope that creating the Memory Medallion story is a positive and meaningful experience. If you require further assistance, more information can be found in the support and FAQ section of our website. You're also welcome to contact us with any questions. Thank you for choosing Memory Medallion.